Air pollution is responsible for millions of deaths worldwide, with harmful effects on human health and the environment. Monitoring air quality is crucial in preventing and mitigating the negative impacts of pollution. Our team, called Innovatrix Team, is presenting a solution to it. E-Air, an innovative air quality monitoring device which helps people monitor the quality of their indoor air at any time by facing the environmental issues of the world while promoting zero waste policy. Air quality monitoring and transparent access to data through platforms is critical for humanity as it helps us understand how air pollution impacts people, places, and planets, says Alexandre Caldas, UN's Environmental Program Chief. So, why electronic waste reduction is so important? Electronic waste or e waste contains hundreds of substances, of which many are toxic. This includes mercury, lead, and other hazardous elements. E waste comprises 70% of the world's overall toxic waste by generating 40 million tons of waste annually. That's equal to throwing 800 laptops every second, and nearly 85% of it is sent to landfills and incinerators and then gets burned. Our conservation efforts consist of education. Our idea includes raising awareness about waste reduction among youth. Upcycling. We reuse discarded objects to create new ones. Zero waste. Our project aims to reduce tremendous amounts of waste being sent to landfills every year. And finally, recycle. We are converting non-usable products and turning them into new materials while creating an opportunity to implement them in the future. With our solution, we aim to achieve four main objectives. First, to enable people to detect air pollution at any time and anywhere. It is a human's right to be aware of the environmental condition under which one lives. That is why we believe our idea will help solve this issue and help people get access to a transparent and accurate air quality monitor. Second, to promote the question of air pollution among the younger generation. Our team understands the value of ensuring long term perspectives of the project by engaging primary, secondary, and high school students to understand the importance of worldwide issues like air pollution and e waste. Third, to build partnerships with the schools. We aim to create a community where all the sides are equally benefited. By collecting non using electronic devices that all the volunteers from schools can provide us, we would help them create eco clubs as well as provide each school with an e air device in exchange. Fourth, to reduce e waste. Most of the components of e waste are electronic equipment that can be reused and recycled for materials recovery. That is why we have connected all of our team values and used this opportunity to make a more sustainable solution to emerging problems. The given graph illustrates the working mechanism of the project. After collecting electronic waste, we sorted by whether it is working or not. For instance, after checking the electronic conductance of the particles like PM2.5 sensors, we put it down for future implications. In our case, it is the production of e-air, due to the relative simplicity of its production. If the collected particles are not in a state of working, we may extract valuable metals like platina or gold by adding nitric acid and hydrogen peroxide in a 1 to 3 ratio. Afterwards, we can use this metal for the production of sensors in the monitor. As we produce this system of building up a monitor, we're going to be able to partner with high school eco clubs to share our engineering knowledge with them. By that, talented scholars will raise awareness of air pollution and will be able to detect it even themselves. From the side of the schools, as we are about to partner, we will ask for the collection of electronic waste to make the production full cycled. Now, let me explain our device and its working process in details. The PM2.5, CO2, VOC, and ozone sensors detect different pollutants in the air, and the Arduino air quality monitor collects and processes this data to provide an overall air quality index. The PCB is the electronic platform that connects all the components together to make e-air function as a whole. With all these components working together, it can provide accurate and comprehensive information about the air quality in a given environment. We can turn off the screen at night, for example, and see the values of each sensor individually after turning it on in the morning. E-Air provides information about certain sensors and gathers the values from the last 24 hours of working. School engagement. By creating eco clubs at schools, we aim to involve children in environmental protection issues and teach them ways to reduce e waste. Our originality and innovativeness is in the combination of using recycled e-waste materials to create an affordable air quality monitor while also promoting sustainability education through eco clubs at schools. By collecting electronic waste from schools and giving them e-air devices to use, we're not only contributing to cleaner air, but also teaching the next generation about the importance of reducing e-waste production. The fact that e-air device is cheaper than other monitors makes it more accessible to a wider audience, further promoting the importance of monitoring air quality for everyone. For example, commercially available air quality monitors can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars, while e-air can be built for a fraction of that cost. Thank you for your attention.